This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Drich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 015094112. Move-in ready home in the desirable Mill Villa Manor subdivision. This low-maintenance property provides an ideal setting for those wishing have a simpler lifestyle. With single-level living, you can enjoy all aspects of this property with just a few steps in and out. An open floor plan makes for an inviting space within where natural light is abundant. The kitchen offers ample counter and cabinet space with a quaint breakfast nook at the end with a bay window. A conventional living room is complete with a slider to the backyard and is plenty spacious for all your decor. Down the hall you will find the enclosed laundry room, hall bathroom and 2 guest bedrooms. Just beyond the guest rooms is the master suite with a walk-in closet, dual sinks and closeted toilet. With concrete and pea gravel walkways, this home is easy to maintain. Take the 3D tour for a virtual experience. For more information, review the details below or contact Drich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 015094112 at 209-768-4312.